Hey Sam here, welcome to this demo of Flicktive. This is a video software that allows you to be able to create videos that combine still elements and moving elements. These videos are very eye-catching and can be used to be able to get attention on social media or even on your website, encouraging visitors to take action, or just even when you need to draw eyes to your video and be able to use that to drive traffic elsewhere. I'm going to show you today how quick and easy you can make one of these videos and share it and schedule it across a number of social media channels. So there's three ways you can do it. I'm inside the software here. It's cloud-based, so it's all within the browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this one, and it has the ability to be able to find videos on YouTube just by searching the keyword, or you can upload your own video, but it also includes a pretty awesome video library full of stock videos that can be used as well. So it's under a number of categories. We've got animals, we've got business, we've got sport and fitness, people. So I'm just going to choose sport and fitness, see what we've got. Okay, we've got a whole bunch of different things. We've got joggers, we've got golf, snowboarders. Here we go, we've got a group of joggers here. So I'm going to choose this one here. I can preview the video just by clicking the play button to see. Now this is going to be ideal to make into one where partial people are moving and not, because we've got a stream of people moving. Okay, so what you need to do is you can specify the start time. So I'm going to say 1 second, and I'm going to have it end at 10 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to click choose this video. Cool, so it's loaded up in the editor here. Now I've edited out about 30 seconds with a loading time, so it does take a little while to load. However, once we're in it, it's very easy. We can see the image here. Now what we can do is we can create a mask, so we can mask over what we want to be moving. We can choose how wide we want our brush to be, so I'm going to choose this wide, and I want to make just this lane here to be the one moving and running. So I'm going to color this all in. And that's going to bring this part to life and keep the rest of the image frozen. There we go there. So it's got a preview. You can see some people are disappearing down the bottom. So I'm going to mask out a little bit more here. There we go. So cool. So we can see some people moving on the left, some not quite moving on the right. So now we can customize this. We can add in text. So I'm going to put in a text sample. Click disable mask here to get my drag and drop button. And we can move this wherever we want. So I can just... So I can write in here, we could just go keep moving when your competition stands still. Something like that. You could just write whatever you want, whatever fits your business. So I'm going to put this in here. Oops, we've stretched it. And you can also move it around and swing it around, things like this. So we can move this to however we want it to look, stretch it out, move it around. We can also change the text size within here. We can increase it, decrease it. We can also add different effects. So we can change the color of the text. We can make it bold. What else we can do is add in offset shadows. So we can go like this, move these a bit. So you've got quite a few customization options in terms of how your text appears. You can even blur around it a little bit and things like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this text white, and then what I can do from here is I can add in an element. So if I go in element and I grab, let's just say for example this box here, I'm going to grab this and I'm going to stretch this over the text. Now what I can do is I can change the color of this right within the color editor. So if I want this to be red, I can do red, or maybe go a little more subtle red. And then what I can do is I can send this to the back up here. So I can get it behind the text and move around to create a bit of a headline. Okay. To edit these elements again, say I want to change this color a bit more brighter, all I have to do is just click on the element and then it brings up the customizable box up the left here. So we can create something like this. You're able to upload your own imagery or content. You can also add in various borders and header and footers as well within it. So you can have a top and a bottom, especially popular for meme pages or viral traffic pages. We have video content in the middle, and then you have a heading and a footer as well. So this is quite a good software to be able to build content that can be shared easily on social media. Once you're happy with it all, you can click animate or you can click render. Animate will preview it for you, and then render will render it into a finished version. So I'm going to click render here. Cool, so it's rendered up, and that actually took about 20 seconds. So a very nice rendering speed, especially for a cloud-based app. Now, there has been other softwares like this that have been desktop-based apps. However, I'm very impressed with how quick this renders and how smooth it is for a cloud-based video editing app. So here we are within the rendered version, the finished version. What it does is it allows us to update it directly to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or Facebook profile. We can type a message. You can also do LinkedIn as well. We can type a message, so we can say, how's your business doing, or whatever. You can anything that gets attention, and then you can also put in a link to link it off to wherever you want it to go. So I'm just going to link this one off to my bonus page. Sweet. And then what we can do is we can schedule the post if we wanted to for the different social media outlets. However, I haven't specified my time zone in the settings, so we'll take a look at settings in a second. And then from here, all we do is click post, and that will post it directly to all of our social media feeds. From here, we can also download the video to be able to put it directly onto our wherever we want it to go in our own time. Now within this, if I go into the settings, let's take a look. So we go into settings, you can edit out social media profiles. Adding the social media was very, very easy. It was just the case of clicking add your account, and it was one click. There was no need to do the whole app, key thing. It was just one click authorization for Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And I haven't set up LinkedIn because I don't have it on this computer. I can't remember my details. Okay, you can see all the stats for the amount of it links directly, so you can see who's watching your videos, commenting, liking as well, just for some metrics there for you as well. And then within here, you obviously have your personal settings where you can select your time zone, renew your password, all those sorts of things as well. So this is Flicktive. Hope you've enjoyed this demo to see how quick and easy it is to create these attractive and eye-catching videos and use them on social media to be able to drive traffic, get people's attention using video. It's been a pleasure to show you through this today. Check it out in detail down below on the bonus page, and be sure to get in during the early bird period. We've got a sweet selection of exclusive bonuses for you down below as well.